Hey guys, it's Portia and welcome back to Pinky's Pastries.
What? Wait.
Piggy's Pastries! So guys, we're just changing the name because, well, we found this guy and he's like a pig that likes to bake. So yeah, that's the new name. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be baking. Oh, look at that. We have a customer.
Hi, do you guys make monkey bread?
Of course we do.
Yay!
So guys, apparently today we are going to be making some monkey bread for our dear friend here. Hey, would you like to make it with us?
Of course I would.
Okay guys, so first you need to make sure that you're washing your hands before every baking thing. Okay, then what we use is we put a half a cup of white sugar in here, a half a cup of brown sugar is optional, but we put half a cup of each to even it out. And then you can add as much up to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in as you'd like. We only put a little bit in because we're not as fond of cinnamon as other people, but if you like cinnamon, you can do more of that.
Need 1 stick of melted butter, not softened, melted. And then you're going to need a can of biscuits. Make sure you have a bump pan
and some spray to spray the blunt pan so it doesn't stick.
Let's get baking! So now you're going to need your biscuits and you're gonna put all of them out.
And then you're gonna cut them each into fourths. So
Let's go!
Now you need your
butter. Now you need to spray it. Don't forget about your sugar mixture because right after you dunk the biscuit in the butter, you immediately go into the sugar and then you put it into the pan. So make sure your pan is close to you.
Don't forget to roll it up into balls before you dip it in your mixtures.
Make sure you clean it up. So we suggest you get an extra tray to put your bump pan on in case it explodes over.
Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then we've made a caramel mixture which has butter, brown sugar, and a little bit of vanilla extract to help give it a vanilla flavor. So now we're just gonna drizzle this on top of the monkey bread. So this little caramel that we drizzled on top, it is optional. There are other things that you can do, like, well, for starters, you don't have to put anything at all on top. This just makes it more gooey, but other people, they use different flavors like banana, orange, anything, and you guys just really gotta be creative. Make sure you have oven mitts.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think, baby, we can find us a brand new recipe?
No smoke alarms! Now we need to let it cool off for a few minutes. Okay guys, so now we just gotta flip it onto our plate. Hey guys, so it's Portia editing here right now, and I just wanted to give a quick side note that whenever you are flipping the pan over, make sure you have adult supervision so you don't burn yourself, and be super careful so that you don't break the monkey bread.
monkey bread to each of us.
So guys, we started off with one piece, but we definitely went back and got more. So don't feel like you're like eating too much at one time. It's going to go bad after about 3 days. So make sure you're eating it before it goes bad so you don't waste it.
Now I'm gonna try it.
It was actually really good. Oh my goodness! That is delicious.